O thuthuria iguru ria gikuo kia Maribel ugithiaga na mbere, honge itiganite ni ithiite na mbere na kuhinyiriria thirikari ihikane na uthuthuria wa cira uyu. Acirithania matiganite ni makinyire mucii kwa mucirithania murata Kemei, uria ni nyina wa Maribel Kapolon, kairitu karia kanyitirwo migwate ni andu matoikaine na mwiri wako gucoka guteo mutito-ini umwe mwena wa Meru. Ni giko kireheire acirithania guoya thima maugite ni mekwiyumiriria.
We are now afraid that this may not stop and that our families will continue to be targeted as we feel Maribel was.
Such acts will not deter us from discharging our duties, dispensing justice. Although we are human, judges and magistrates are human beings, when such attacks goes the extent of targeting our children, but of course there's some level of fear.
Ruhonge rwa thuthuria rwa DCI ni ruritio ruhanyukio thuthurio niguo aria mekunyitikana na mahitia makinyukirio makinya ma kiwatho ukinya riu mwekwirwo mwe ni aikitio ngono ukirikana niwe wonekire na kairitu gaka muthenya umwe mbere yako kunyitwo migwate. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Muriuki wa Mucoki.